and welcome to the February 2019 Quirky Crate unboxing. I'm here with my darling daughter, CW, and I'm very excited that she gets to do this with me. She's actually been asking to do this with me for a couple of months now, that we're like, if we get the Quirky Crate, that we do it together, and I thought that's a good idea. So this is CW.
Hello.
CW, how old are you?
10.
She is 10, and in what grade?
5th.
5th grade. She's amazing. And every month we get this. What is your first reaction?
What am I going to have?
What is she going to get? That's basically why we do this together, is because probably over half goes to her and the other half goes to me. And typically, what do you want? What are your favorite items?
Bags and something to do with animals or cats.
So yeah, if it's like a unicorn or
a cat. It has to be a cat.
She gets it. I always end up with the socks because they're made for women's size, so she's not quite there yet. She will be in the next year or so, and then we're gonna have to fight it out over the socks.
Well, actually, my feet are too small. My feet are like this big.
She wears like a 4 in children's size, so about a 6 woman's, so it's on the smaller end of women's socks. So when she gets to like a size 5 children's or a 7 women's, we'll probably be able to fight it out. And she's wanted a few of those socks, so I've only got like a year left where I get all the socks. I also tend to get the pins and patches and things like that because I just like them. I put them on a bag. I have a bag in my closet that has all of the pins that I've collected over the years.
Really?
Yes, I do. You didn't know that? Well, I'll have to pull it out for you at some point, and maybe we'll do that with the next unboxing.
I hope there's a cat in this.
We'll see. But they always try to give us kind of a clue, and this month we have this beautiful palm print, and I love the Quirky Crate bots. She does a really good job of like finding designers to help her.
This is confusing though, because it's February right now, and they gave us this.
I'm good.
And it's really cold, and also this doesn't have like hearts on it.
I know, it's snowing outside, and we have this palm print.
To
me,
Virginia,
I'm like,
it's cold.
It is cold. It is Virginia. I'm like, let's go to Florida.
Florida is my favorite place in the whole world.
I'm completely fine with leaving snow for this. Anyhow, so let's get to the unboxing. By the way, we'll also probably do Pusheen unboxings together.
Really?
Yes, but you'll have to remember that we share some of that with your brothers.
I know.
I know. But anyhow, so let's go to this is just for the 2 of us. All right, so the Quirky Crate unboxing. Definitely support her. I know she doesn't have a ton of people who subscribe to her. I know she's very popular, but I don't think she's got like the following that I think she deserves, because she's fun. The woman who kind of came up with Quirky Crate, and I think she lives in Michigan, so she probably wants to go to Florida too. Right, one of her teachers is from last year is from Michigan. Okay, so let's get started.
Amazing.
And so, as usual, they give us something to enjoy. It's like a little postcard to tell us more about. I know she does, but I'm going to show it to everybody. So here's the front of it.
I said I don't like reading it.
And then in the back
Getting spoiled.
is the information about what we're receiving. So the woman who helped design it is named Julie Pinzer, and she started a company called Muko Yobi in 2006 with a love of color and a heavy interest in sewing and bag construction. She's a sewer. Good job. I like you, Julie.
And her name is Julie, like one of my friends from acting.
Oh, she has a good friend named Julie. Okay, so we're going to start with the first thing. And it is a Muko Yobi iron-on patch.
What's a Muko Yobi?
That's the company that the Julie lady came up with. Anyhow, here is it says watermelon. I dig it. I'm personally like into it.
I like watermelons, bananas, and Cheetos.
So you're going to give it to me? So this one is mine. One for Mama. Okay.
Don't call me
I am Mama. I am Mama. I see some things in here that I know you're going to want. Okay, so let's go to one I think you're going to want, which is this one. Which is like, wait, let me just show them. It's a necklace inside of like a film canister. Let's see what it is. Wait, you do the unboxing, the uncorking or whatever. All right, let me see. It says that this is a I don't see it on her. Where is it? Oh, Spaceman enamel pendant.
Ooh, Spaceman.
It's $15. Wait, what is that thing? Oh, it's just the...
It's just like
It says pendant necklace Spaceman. Okay, wait.
This is cute.
Oh, this is super cute. Oh my gosh. I may have to borrow it, honey. Why? I let you borrow my necklaces.
No, you don't.
Well, if you want to borrow them, I'd let you borrow them.
Okay.
Totally.
Okay.
This is beautiful. Do you want me to put it on you right now? So you can show them what it looks like on you? Sure. Okay. Wait, we gotta do it. Wait, how do we do it?
I have
Okay,
my
wait,
hair,
this
so
way.
that's good.
Sorry. Okay, here you go. So she's got it on. All right, you want to lean in a bit to the...
Like this.
Like that. Super cute. She has the American Girl that was like all into space in NASA.
Mm-hmm.
So, I mean, I think it would go well. Maybe we'll make you like, I have some space fabric left. Like galaxy print fabric. Maybe I can make her like a little dress. And then she could wear her spaceman with that dress.
Actually, I'd rather have like a shirt that's like a crop top or something like that.
You can't wear a crop top yet. You're too young.
No, I didn't need that.
Oh, okay. Just cropped, but not cropped. Not like cropped here, but like cropped it like your belly button.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. All right, next up is something I'll probably want because I'm the pin collector. Look, it says pins and it can hang. And then you get to show everybody all your cool pins so that the bag doesn't just lay in your closet and no one can see it. So maybe I can transfer all of my pins to my pin catch-all and then just have my bag be for things like the patches. What do you think? Think Mama can have this?
Sure.
Okay. Wait, I need to check. I thought I heard a beep. I think the thing may have stopped filming. Okay, hold on. Let me take a look. No, it's still going. Wave. Hi. Okay. All right, I was wrong. I don't know what beep I heard. Oh my goodness. All right, well, this is way more fun to do this with her than to do it by myself. But I still think I'll do all my makeup unboxings by myself. Wait, no, we're not ready yet. Okay, hold on. The pin display banner is $12, and she's completely fine with me having it. Okay.
Even though I already have like a pillowcase that's like all full of pins.
Oh, that's true. She does. She puts all in another Quirky crate. There was a really cool like pillowcase cover, and you put all your.
But it
Wait, what happened to it?
Dad took it off.
Why?
I don't like it on my closet.
Where is it?
Probably in my closet somewhere.
Well, why don't we pull it out and put a pillow in it inside of it so you can have it? I had no idea. Okay. Anyways, here's some socks. They're palm printed. I love them. Do you want it or can I have it, please? Pretty please. I love this color.
I mean, Tampa
like
Bay.
Green.
Tampa Bay is my favorite place in the whole entire world, but.
So here's the pattern. So if you move to Tampa Bay, because you love it so much, can I live with you? Because I love Virginia, and I would come back to visit. But
unless
Tampa's pretty nice.
Unless I don't have too much cats, but if I do, then I will definitely come over.
Okay, so if she has too many cats, I may not get an invite.
Which I will.
Okay, so the Monstera leaf socks are $8.
What are Monsteras?
I'm guessing it's the type of palm leaf this is.
I've only gotten one thing so far.
You have only gotten one thing. Uh-oh. Well, here, let's pull right out to immediately what I know she's going to want. This is like 100%.
It's a donut!
But not only any donut. It is a donut.
Simpsons donut.
It's a Simpsons donut, right? But what else? It's a
Simpsons donut.
But it's a
bag.
It's a bag. So is this going to be yours?
Mm-hmm. I collect bags, so I might do a video by myself. Room tour, maybe.
Not right now, when she's much older. Well, will you show when you're like 5 years from now and you have your own YouTube channel? Then will you show off the donut bag in 5 years? Can I remind you of that?
Or maybe.
Can I come into the video and be like, "Hi, honey"?
But I'll be 15. I won't be doing that.
Wait.
I'm 10. Wait, no.
You're not doing a room tour at age 10. You're too young. Heck, I think 15's kind of young, but all right.
Actually, no. I'll be 16. Because this year I'm gonna.
The donut bag, by the way, is $24.
A bag thing.
Maybe we can show off. Oh, I know. Why don't we do a Quirky Crate special where we just show off the cool bags we've gotten over the years?
I love this.
Does that sound good?
Okay. Kind of like white out.
Does that sound like a plan?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we'll get all our bags together and do a Quirky Crate. Look at all the bags that we've received in the shape of food or animals. Animals. All right, here is the next two are kind of fun. Ooh, this would have been, I wish we had thought about it.
I would do this.
The happy flags.
I need that.
But wouldn't they be cool in videos if we like strung the happy flags behind us? Because I've done that one time with I had a Liberty of London unboxing, and I had the Pusheen banner behind me. I did. They're right there. See? You can pull them out. Go get them and show them. Anyway, so I have a bunch of things I can string behind me. I just haven't. I always forget to do it before I start my video. So here's the Pusheen ones that I got in the Pusheen box.
I'm not as obsessed with Pusheen as I used to be, but
Here's the Pusheen ones.
I love cats. I'm able to draw that.
They string up behind. But these colorful flags will look super pretty behind, don't you
This is neat. Oh, hold on. It's like one of those Kinder Egg things. Like the ones that like you push over like that.
Okay. All right, good. So, I don't see a pin in here. Is there a pin? Oh, there is a pin.
It's a blow dryer.
Okay, wait. There's two other things. Now we need to decide. You know, you have not received much. Right now, you have happy flags, which I'm fine to give you as long as we can borrow them for our videos.
I will probably put them...
Can we use them for our videos?
Can I put them on my bed?
Well, sure, but then when we have our videos, can we pull them out? Okay, so the next Quirky Crate, hopefully we have these behind us.
Yeah, I'm not getting this one.
She doesn't want the hair dryer. Why not?
It says hot mess. It says
and of course, I think
mess.
that's hilarious.
And of course, I think it is too romantic.
What? Why is hot mess too romantic?
Because hot can be another kind of...
Okay. I like it. Maybe I'll
and
put
also,
it on
I'm
my
not a mess. Look at my
pins
hair.
flag. Okay, so this thing, speaking of hair,
Give it to me.
it's the Make Time. It's a hair straightener, a mini hair straightener. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Do you want it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know how to use one? Do you need me to
Yes,
teach you?
I know how to
use How do you know how to use one of these?
I've seen my friends do it before.
Wait, who of your friends has these? Don't say names. Are they at the school with you?
No.
You want to say the school. So they're at school with you? So who uses these? The ones at your theater company? She's an actress.
No.
Is it your friends that you're related to that live in Georgia?
No.
She just has some random friends that apparently use hair straighteners. By the way, there's a lot of yelling in the next room. I think my husband's trying to get my son to do his homework, and it's really, really loud, and I apologize. So maybe, I don't know.
Oh, it's dry skin.
Just enjoy our video. It's okay. He'll probably do his homework eventually.
It's so tiny.
Anyway,
it's like a wee little...
It is really wee. It's super cute. My hair's pretty straight today, so I don't think I need it. And he's so cute. You could probably even do like little curls with it too. It's not.
Oh, wait, you can. Like, okay. Yeah. So you could like do it yourself with CW. You could do it like that and then curl it.
That could work. All right. It says that the curler is.
Oh, it's a
curler. It's a straightener. Oh, no, I'm sorry, not curler. It's called a Travel Kawaii.
What the heck does that mean?
That
oh, kawaii. Kawaii means cute in Japanese.
Kawaii.
If you didn't
Sorry,
know that.
I pronounced it wrong. The Kawaii hair straightener.
Kawaii.
How do you say it?
Kawaii.
Kawaii. Like Hawaii with a K. Kawaii.
Kawaii.
Hair straightener is $16. So you got the most expensive things. So she got the, oh yeah, she definitely did. Because $24 for the donut, $16 for the Kawaii straightener.
What about the...
And then the pendant is
what about the...
$15 and the flags are only $4. I got the ones that are a little less expensive.
Ooh, these are like
That's
paper
okay.
mache thing.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. So what do we think of the February 2019 Quirky Crate?
Interesting.
It is interesting. I'm digging it. I'm giving it a big thumbs up.
I don't see palm trees in the middle of like February, but I do see donuts. I love donuts.
I am completely fine with the randomness of this palm printed awesomeness that was partnered with Julie Pinzer. Good job, Quirky Crate. This is awesome.
What is?
I love it.
what's Julie and hair?
I don't know if Julie has anything to do with hair. I
mean, her hair is pretty, but
well, her picture in the card is very pretty. I don't know. Maybe the woman in charge of Quirky Crate was just really into giving us a cute little hair straightener with like a cute little bear on the front. She wants me to ask her one more question.
No more questions.
Okay.
Just to get a little
All right, fine.
introduction.
What's your favorite thing in the Quirky Crate this month?
The donut.
Okay.
I love donuts, especially because this is like the Homer Simpson one.
All right. Well, I think these videos, just for a warning, when we do these in the future, I have a feeling they're going to take a really long time because she likes to talk and so do I. So you can ask me what my favorite one is?
More questions for just an introduction.
Just ask me what's my favorite.
Which one is your favorite?
I like the socks. The socks are cute. And the pin flag is pretty good too.
I like the donut so much.
And the pin. That's a hot mess. And I like the watermelon patch. But okay, if I had to pick just one, I would pick the socks. Okay. All right.
More questions just for an introduction.
No, say bye-bye. Say we'll see you next month for the Quirky Crate March 2019
not
unboxing. Yeah, in March 2019.
No, for me it's still this month.
Right, but we will see them. The people that are going to watch this.
No, I mean, since we're doing the Pusheen one.
But the Pusheen one probably won't come until, like, April. It takes a while for it to come.
What
Pusheen
is
is always
this?
late.
Wait,
Say we'll see you. Okay, say we'll see you in a month.
See you in a month.
For the Quirky Crate, which month? What's the next month?
Let's see. March
2019. Oh my goodness. They're gonna turn this off because 2019
2019, because I'm a tween.
2019 unboxing with my darling. All right, say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.